guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to be talking about some Boxycharm, which is right here. Boxycharms, if you do not know, is it's basically a makeup subscription which you get like several full-sized items every month, and it's about 21 bucks. Today I'm going to review and try on all of the products in here. I have opened the box and I swatched some stuff, but I haven't tried on anything. And I was pretty surprised at like the products that you get in here. They're pretty cool, and they're from brands that I've never tried before. So I'm like, that's really what I want. And also to build up my makeup collection and try brands that I haven't before in the past that I probably would never buy, but it, you know, could be something new for me. All right, so let's get into what we get in this thing. So the biggest thing that you see first is the Glam Glow Gentle Cleanser, which is right here. I mean, this is huge. Huge. It's so big. I've never tried anything from Glam Glow, so I'm like excited. So this is what it looks like. I really like the packaging. I think it looks so cool. So it's called a Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. So it says, apply to wet face, gently massage evenly in circular motions, rinse well, and pat dry. So I will try this out at the end of the night when I'm ready to take my makeup off, and we will see. I'll take you guys up to my bathroom and we'll see how this one does. The next product you get is Alamar Colorette Blush Trio, which this is so pretty. It is so pretty. I really, really like it. And on the inside, it's like this. Ooh, it's these like three blushes, which how pretty is that? That is so pretty. And then the shade of it is medium tan. So when you order one of these boxes, they will give you a little like test to see like what's your makeup shade and all that stuff. And so I put a medium tan, which is basically my shade and everything. So yeah, I really, in the beginning when I first opened this, I thought this like I could use this shade to contour, and then I swatched them. I was like, oh no, that is not gonna work. So the names are Seclusion, which is right here, and then Isla and Toasted. So Isla is right here, and then Toasted. So I'm just gonna swatch them for you really quick. Okay, so these, here they are swatched on the back of my hand, and they're super pretty. They're very pigmented, but not too pigmented. Like sometimes when you have a blush, you don't want something to be like crazy pigmented, and you know, you're gonna have to sit there for like 5 years blending it out. That's not the jam. So, but I really love the like press. Like I like how deep that press is. I don't know, that's kind of weird, but anyway, they're super pretty. This is also good for like traveling. Like look, I like how small this is. I could just throw this in my bag. The next item is Ciate London, which is, the item is called Eye Luster Cream Shadow. So the name of the shade is called Cupid. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. This is what the doe foot looks like. It's like flat and then it's kind of angled. I mean, it is gorgeous. I'm so excited to try this. Sorry, I just had to smell it. It doesn't smell like anything, just in case you were wondering. Okay, so the next item is the Laurent gloss. Just so you know, they have this little like insert that comes in the box, and it gives you all the prices. Everything is pretty much like $22, and then the Glam Glow is $28. Just so you are aware. So let's go on with the Laurent lip gloss, which is the next item, and the shade is called Posh. Okay, this is what the gloss looks like. Super pretty packaging, and I'm just going to swatch it for you. Wow, it is so opaque. So you can see that. Really pretty. And the last item is, it's Vintage by Jessica. The shade is Mocha, and looks like a really nice kind of a pencil lip liner. Let me just swatch this one for you. That's what it looks like, and it really kind of goes with this guy. Okay, so that is it. The box is now empty. So for 21 bucks, not too bad. Just read the Ciate eyeshadow, the cream eyeshadow, and it says fallout free, which is a bold claim, bro. So I'm excited to try that. All right, so I do have foundation on. I have everything on except for eyeshadow, blush, and highlight. But so let's get started with trying this stuff out. I'm gonna go in with this palette first, and I think I'm gonna go into, first I'm gonna go into Seclusion, and then I'm gonna go into the second shade, which is Isla. I'm just gonna use this BH Cosmetics brush, just like an angled blush brush, and try to start building that up. But okay, so I'm gonna go in with this second shade, which is Isla, on the same brush. Yeah. There's a lot of fallout. It is getting everywhere all over my desk here. That's okay. So I'm just gonna build that up. Yeah, but those are gorgeous. I really like that. I really like to like throw this in my bag to travel. I'm so down with that idea. I'm just gonna add some highlight just because I don't have any in the Boxycharms box. And also I don't like to put highlight on before blush. I don't have any eyeshadows to test out from this box, so I am gonna pop some on and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I laid down my eyeshadow. I didn't mean for this to turn out into a halo eye, but that's what happened. I used the James Charles palette, so I used this shade right here, and then I used this shade on the bottom and on the top. This shade is like, if you don't like pack it on with like a little bit of like a flat fluffy brush, it's not gonna come out as like pigmented, but I think it looks good. I think it looks like very edgy and different. I'm ready to go to Target and make people look at me like I'm crazy. Oh, the names of those two shades are Love That, which is in the crease, and then the shade Skip is on the top here and on the bottom lash. And then I used a little bit of the 518, which is this like macaroni and cheese shade. You ever like, you know, like that pack of Crayola crayons that you used to get as a kid that had like the sharpener on the side that had like all the colors? This shade reminds me of like that macaroni and cheese shade. Let's go in with this Ciate eyeshadow. Alright, so I'm going to put this on, and I'm just going to put it on in the center and hope to God that this works. So I just applied that, and I'm just going to take my ring finger and just kind of pat that out. Yeah, it looks so pretty. Not a lot of fallout. Wow. Usually with these guys, like the fallout can be kind of crazy. Like it's kind of nice to use like a glitter glue. I know you're like, how does fallout happen with this? But there's so much glitter in this that it just ends up all over the bottom of your lash. But this says fallout free, so. And yeah, I kind of believe it. So I'm gonna go in with the other eye. Okay, that looks so pretty. I'm gonna go back into the James Charles palette, into the same shade that's in my crease, and just kind of soften up the line. Okay, so I did try and go in and add a little bit more, and then when I tried to go blend it out, it did try to like lift the product. It kind of sucks, but it's pretty on par with like these type of cream eyeshadows. But I do really like the color, and the fallout is a lot less than normal cream eyeshadow, so I'm not too mad at that. Okay, so I'm gonna go pop some lashes on, and then I will move on to lips and we will see how that goes. Hey guys, the lashes are on. I'm wearing the Kiss Lashes Look So Natural in the style Flirty. Let's go on to lips. So I have the Vintage by Jessica, can't pronounce her last name, liebeskind? Anyway, so I'm gonna line my lips really quick. Okay, I will say I really like this liner. It is a little too creamy, so it kind of gets everywhere, but I really, really like it. It's so creamy that you're able to put the liner everywhere. I was gonna go in with a liquid lip, this is the Makeup Revolution liquid lip in the shade Echelon, but I don't think I need it because this looks super pretty. So I'm gonna go in with the gloss, this is the Steve Laurent gloss in the shade Posh. So everything kind of goes together, which is really nice. So they don't give you like a pink gloss and a brown liner. I kind of like that. So I have the lip gloss on. It doesn't really feel lip glossy. It feels more like a lipstick, but it's kind of like a high shine lipstick. So altogether, I liked everything so far. So I'm gonna go about my business and do my thing, and then we're gonna come back and check out this Glam Glow Gentle Bubble. Hi guys, so we are in my bathroom. Sorry, this video is kind of like a makeshift in my bathroom. I don't have any like stand or anything, so I'm like leaning this up against some sort of thing in my bathroom. Anyway, so it is about like 9 o'clock tonight and I really want to take my makeup off and take a shower. And I just want to test this out to see how good it is. I'm gonna take my lashes off really quick. Oh, that one came off way too easy. Okay, there we go. So it said to wet my face. Apply to wet face. I'm just gonna wet my face really quick. So I just wet my face. Makeup is still looking good. And I'm just gonna take this out. Okay, so we're just gonna start. Oh, I'm just gonna start trying to take this off. Whoa. It's almost like melting my makeup. So I'm kind of shook because that took off basically all my makeup. It's like very, it almost looked like it was like melting my makeup, which is really weird for like a product that's like this. It's almost like a, you know, soap product, if that makes sense. I am going to do a makeup wipe test to show you if there's any makeup left on my eyes. If you see some staining or pink around my eyes, it's just from the eyeshadows from the James Charles palette. Those are pressed pigments, so they tend to stain. It just goes away, like usually like one night. What I usually use to take off my makeup is this 4th and Ray BFD cleansing oil. This stuff will take off everything. It's an oil. It's really close to the Tatcha cleansing oil. So I'm interested to see what the difference is going to be. Let's take a makeup wipe. This is a Neutrogena makeup remover wipe. So let's do a makeup wipe test. I'm just gonna come in and go down like that. What? There's nothing. I am shocked. I mean, very, very little. There's a little right there, but usually in the perimeters of my face, there'll be a lot because it's hard to like, yeah, you see there's a lot right there, like just in the perimeters, just because it's hard to get like into your hairline when you're trying to wash your face. But let's take like a clean area and I just want to see what my eyes are looking like. Yeah, nothing. I am so shook. And also I use like very, very little. I use such a little amount and yeah. So this is great. I am shook. I have like, ever since this guy, I've been like, no other product can do it for me. So that's great. So if I run out of this one, I could just like back it up with this and that's awesome. So this will last you a hell of a long time. I mean, a really long time. So this was great. It's definitely a win for me. I will be using this again. The only thing is if I wake up tomorrow and it broke me out, that's the only thing that will change my mind, but I will let you guys know in a future video if that does happen. But so far, I'm so down for that. I really want to try other Glam Glow products. Also, I added up everything in the little card here. I went online and I did a little research and I added up everything and everything is exactly the same that is on this card. So you're basically saving so much money. So it's 21 bucks for this box and literally this is $28. So you're saving a ton of money and this is completely full size. This is a ton of product. This is 5 ounces of product and I literally probably use like the tiniest little dime size. So that's amazing. Let me know in the comment section if you want to see my July box or any other future boxes. I would definitely absolutely love to do that for you guys. Before you leave, make sure you subscribe to my channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. I hope this helped you guys out. If you want to save some money on makeup, this could be a really good option for you guys. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go take a shower and go to bed. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing videos every Monday and Friday. I pretty much put them up Sunday night and Thursday night, so that's how that goes. Anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe. Alright guys, I'll see you on my next one. Bye.